Hi everyone, this is Annette. Welcome to my scrapbooking corner. I'm here with another layout. These are pictures of Sabrina, and she got up on the stool next to Mateo when he was eating breakfast, and so I gave her a little bit. I forget what he was eating. May have been tuna, I don't remember. He's got a bowl, so I think that was in the morning. But anyway, I gave her a little of something so she would stay there for me to take a picture. Anyway, so my background is white magic stock. The geometric pattern that I put washi tape over at the very bottom is from Cupcake Club's Collect the Memories. That pink striped pattern I used as my photo mat.
A new Fox 35 weather update has arrived.
Sorry, that scared me. Probably telling you all about our freeze ribbons. How to start your Sunday. 32 right now. Bye-bye, flowers. Oh, and then that cardstock going down the length of my paper. Anyway, the vertical layer is Roselle cardstock. Hold on, I'm going to put it later. Oh, I'm going to make sure I'm doing all dirty. Seriously. Can I do? Come. See me? Sorry. Want me to get your blankie so you don't have to lay on the cold floor? Huh? Yes. Alright, Max. Alright, those flowers I hand cut out of a paper. Die cuts are Simple Story Sun Kissed. Let's see, do I write it? No, I didn't write down where I cut the stuff from. Silly boys. I can say I need to wash my door, Max. I'll do it when I'm done recording. Anyway. And the washi tape is from, this is August kit. I'm going to say July kit. You come with 3. Rainbow, this pink, and a polka dot. I used some chipboard hearts, which are Simple Story Sun Kissed. Oh no, I did. Those florals are cut from Paige Evans Wonders. Oh, those are my knickers. I have got to get into a chiropractor because my dad said my sciatic nerve probably is bothering me because my lower back is out. And then also, when I got rear-ended on my way to work back in September, my neck bothers me. It feels like it's out all the way to the middle of my shoulder blades. It hurts. So I need to get it, I guess. That's why I got health insurance, right? And then those foam stickers are American Craftsy Bold stickers, or thickers, I should say. Oh wow, my computer says it's 28. My phone says it's 32. It says it, but it feels like 29, so. Anyway, brr. So I'm going to use the phrase stickers, which are Vicky Booten Color Study. Journaling cards are American crafts. I've had those for a long time. Those journaling, oh, it's the journaling cards of American crafts. I'm not sure, but that is not American crafts. That's my memo. So I'm not sure why I put that. That is actually, I think it's a memo. Unless those are done by American Crafts. I'll have to go back and look. Alright. The die cuts are split choice on case. I don't remember if I said that. I'm using chipboard hearts. And foam stickers are American Crafts Be Bold stickers. Excuse me, I don't want to think I did say all that. That's a foam sticker smile. No, I said that's to lay on, not play tug of war with. No, no, that's my Snuggie. I said you can lay on it, not play tug of war. No, no tug of war. Lay down. Yeah, lay down. Okay, lay on my blankets. You don't rip them. My favorite blanket that I got from a little boy named Dominic for Christmas one year. One of my students. I let them use it to lay in my scrapbook room under my desk to keep them quiet, and snuck off with it and used it to play tug of war, and we worked a big hole in it, so I had to go in the trash. They had to buy me a new one. So I use that blanket when I'm sitting on the couch watching TV. Jerks. Yeah, you're a jerk. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh, I think I was looking for titles, ideas for this page. And that's when I decided, guess who's coming to dinner? So Guess Who's is Simple Stories Color Vibe Orange from Foam Alpha stickers, and Coming is Hit Me Close to Lightful Puffy Alphas from a past kit. I don't remember which one. June or July's. To Dinner is Simple Stories Color Vibe Navy from Foam Alpha stickers. What are you wanting, Jax? In my lap? Because since you think they are almost 7 months. February 7th will be 7 months and 50 pounds. You think they're like dogs, don't you? Yeah, you don't fit on my lap anymore, Jax. Yeah, only if I'm sitting on the couch do I have lap room. No, you're not getting on my counter. No. Ray says, what you need, baby girl, you want out? Aw, thank you, Max. Anyway, so once I get my title done, that's all I do to this layout. Thanks for watching. Bye.